Hello students, today we will start second lesson from mathematics part 1, that is quadratic equations. Okay, so let's begin with the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, here I wrote standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Student, you can see that in this equation only one variable is used, that is x, and the greatest index number, the maximum index number of the variable is 2. So this is quadratic equation. The maximum index number is 2 and where only one variable is used, where this a, b and c, these are any real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. Then the equation is quadratic equation. Okay, so this is the general form or standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, let's here we will see some equations are given here. We will see how to decide whether they are quadratic or not. Okay, so let's begin with the first equation. First equation is x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now see here in this equation only one variable is used. Okay, and the greatest index number of the variable is 2. That's why this equation is the quadratic equation. We have to write the reason. The greatest index number of variable is 2. Therefore, it is quadratic equation. If you compare this equation with this standard form, ax square plus bx plus c, if you compare with this equation, the value of a you will get 1. Then value of b you will get plus 5 and value of c is equal to minus 2. Followed? How to decide whether the equation is quadratic form and how to find out the value of a, b and c. Okay. Now let's go for second equation. Y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. Now let's to remove this y from the denominator. We will multiply the whole equation by y. So each term we have to multiply by y. First term is y square. So y square multiplied by y, we will get y cube plus 1 upon y multiplied by y get cancelled and here we will get only 1 equal to, now this side also we have to multiply by y, 2 multiplied by y equal to 2y. Okay, now write it in standard form. That means all terms we have to take on left hand side, right hand side is equal to 0. So if you convert it in that form, we will get y cube. If you take plus 2y on left hand side, it becomes minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, we converted the equation in general form. Now compare this equation with the standard form. Here you will get the greatest index number of the variable y is 3, which is greater than 2. That's why this equation is not a quadratic equation. Followed? Now we go for the next equation. X plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now again here to remove this denominator x, we will multiply the whole equation by x. So first term x multiplied by x square plus 1 upon x multiplied by x, you will get 1 equal to minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2x. Okay. Now we have to take this negative 2x on left hand side. So we will get the equation x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now compare this with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You can see that the maximum index number is 2. So this is the quadratic equation. And if we want to find out the value of a, b and c, by comparing the equation, a is equal to, you will get 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. Followed, students? How we decided whether the equation is quadratic or not? Okay. Now we go for the next equation. M plus 2 into bracket m minus 5 is equal to 0. Now to decide it is quadratic or not, first we have to multiply these brackets. Okay. First we will multiply by m with this bracket. So m multiplied by m square. Then m multiplied by minus 5, minus 5m. Then plus 2 multiplied by m, plus 2m. Plus 2 multiplied by minus 5, plus into minus, minus. 2 5 the 10 equal to 0. Now these middle two terms are like terms. Minus 5m plus 2m. So we can add or subtract them. M square. Now negative 5m, positive 2m. Minus plus. Minus plus we have to do minus. 5m is greater term. So your sign is minus. 5 minus 2, 3m. Minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Now see, in this equation only one variable is used, m, and the greatest index number of the variable is 2. That's why this is quadratic equation. Okay. Now we want to find out the value of ABC. So we have to compare it with standard form. By comparing with the standard form, we will get A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to minus 10. Followed? How we decided the given equations are quadratic or not? If we got a quadratic equation, we compared it with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and we got the value of A, B and C. Followed?